Okay. So before going to that vararg method, okay, we will see. So why we need to use vararg method? Why Java people introduced vararg method, guys? Okay, we will see, guys. See, actually, let's suppose, okay. You want me to write example directly in Eclipse ID or Notepad? I mean, Notepad++.
Eclipse, sir.
Directly Eclipse, huh? Okay,
Yes.
let's open that. Yeah, the newly joined people. Okay, don't worry. So we have the recorded sessions, okay, on the Eclipse ID, how to install Java and how to install Eclipse, everything. Okay, we recorded, right? You can see those things, guys. We will give you, okay, all the recorded sessions we will give you. And one more thing here. So actually, you can refer your friends also, okay? So here, the first 1 month course will be free, guys. Okay, after that only, so we will, if you like the classes and you can continue, or else you can drop off. But here almost 20 sessions are completed, right? 22 sessions are completed, okay? So we will give you all the recorded sessions. Just go through all the recorded sessions, take 1 week time, okay? So after that, you came to know how the classes and all. Once you listen the recorded sessions, okay? So after that, it's up to you whether you can continue or you can drop off, okay? Yeah, nice. So, yeah, so yeah, before that, okay, anyway, we will write here, guys. Yeah, let me explain one scenario, guys. Let's suppose, okay, you created one online, okay, online shopping website, guys. Okay, online garments, okay, online garments. Okay, so we are created one online garment website. Okay, you open one online shop. So from there, you are selling, okay, clothes, guys. Okay, like saris or different chudidars we have, right? So like that, we are going to sell those things. So yeah, so now the first day you opened. First day you opened the shop. So only 2 customers are came. Come on, guys. Only 2 customers are came. The first customer, okay, I think he did 1,000 rupees bill. The second customer, he did, okay, 1,500 rupees bill. Okay. But end of the day, what we as a shop owner, what we will do, we will see how much collection we will get today, right? How much collection we will get today. So that is the one end of the day any shopkeeper will do, right? Come on. Now, so for that, let me write here, okay, Eclipse, Java project. What is the project we will here? Vararg, right? Vararg, Vararg method demo. Let me write like this, guys. Okay, Vararg method demo. Project created. Here I'm adding class. Java class. What is the class name? Let me put vararg. Vararg method demonstrate. Let me write like this. I want public static void main method also. Let me check it. Yeah. Now, vararg method demonstrate class also created, and we have public static void main method too, right? So tell me here, okay. So what I want, guys? What I want? Just I want to know as a owner of the shop, online shop, what I want to know, but end of the day, what is the total collection, right? What is the total collection? So how many customers we have today? Only 2 customers. Okay, who Come on. To get the total of amount for two customers. Okay, I'm writing one method, guys. Which method I'm writing? Come on, public. Guys, don't worry. What is public and all? We will see. Okay, in detail. Okay, as of now, just remember this is a modifier, access modifier called public. Okay, that's it. Public. What is the method name? Okay. Sum of total. Okay, right? Or get total collection. Get total collection. So this is the method, guys. Okay, this is the method I'm writing. Okay, guys. So here, get total collection. How many customers we have? Two customers. Okay. So here what get total collection means what? This is the method. For this method, what I need to pass? Amount, right? Amount I need to pass. So in this method, I want to calculate, okay, total amount, okay, which I got for today. Okay, guys, which I total collection, which I got today, guys. Okay, so that's the logic I want to write in this method. Now, what I have to do? Only how many customers we have? Two customers. Okay, what is the first customer bill? 1,000 rupees. What is the second customer bill? 1,500 rupees. Here, what I want to see? I want to get 1,500 rupees, 1,000 rupees and 1,500 rupees. So what I have to do here? I need to declare parameters. So what kind of parameters I need to declare? Tell me which type of parameters I need to declare. Come on. Int. Int. Okay. Okay. Bill one.
Bill one.
Okay. Bill one. Let me take. Okay. Bill one. This is the okay variable name. Next one what? Int. Bill two. Okay, guys. Come on, everyone. Method means what? You need to open parentheses and close your parentheses, right? Here, see, what is the problem here? Java method. What is the syntax of Java method? Every Java method, you should keep return type, right? If that method returns something, you need to provide that appropriate return type here, or else you need to keep what? Void. Void means what? This method does not return anything, but you always keep either void or particular return type. So here what I want to, what this method will do? Get total collection. Get total collection means what? Out of, once you call this method, you will receive total amount. Total amount means what? Amount means what? What kind of literal it is? Integral literal. Integral literal means what kind of data type I need to put here as a return type? Come on, int. Okay, guys, int return type. Tell me. Now, what I need to do? I need to summarize the total. How to do that? Come on, tell me. How to int total. Something I need to keep here, right? Into total. Next one. Come on, tell me. Total is equal to
Bill one plus bill two.
Bill one
Plus bill two.
Bill two.
Return
Finally, what I need to do? Return total. Right. So like this, we have to do. Fine. So now where I can call this one?
Main method.
Here I need to call. So main method. So now can I call get total? What is the method? Get total collection, right? Can I call like this?
No, on it please.
Why should
No,
I?
sir.
Why cannot call?
It is not
Instant.
static.
It is
What kind
instance.
of method it is?
It is instance method.
Instance method. Come on, bro. Don't forget. Day before yesterday class already we discussed. Okay, in class means, so what kind of variables we can get, guys? What kind of variables we can have? How many types of variable we can have? Instance variable, static variables. Class is what? Collection of member variables and member methods, right? Member variables. So how many types of variables we can have? Static variables, instance variables, local variables, right? Now come to member methods. What kind of methods we can have? How many types of member methods we can have? Instance method, static methods, 1 minute. Yeah. Come on. Instance methods and static methods. Right? So how can we call instance methods? Come on, guys. How can we access instance variables?
By creating
object.
By creating object or by using
Body
object
class.
reference, you can access instance variable. How can you access static variables?
Class name type.
By
directly
using
using
class
method.
name. You can use you can use
Class name.
Answer
you can
object.
access static variable by using class name. Okay. Already we discussed it, right? How can we access static variables? By using class name. Okay. Now, so to refer static variables, we no need to create object, guys. Understand? By using class name, you can refer. Why by using class name you can refer? When the static variables will be created at the time of class loading. Okay. When these static variables will be created, only single copy of static variables will be created. At what level? Class level. So that's what, by using class name, you can refer all the static variables. Understand? Okay. Now, same way. Now, instance method and static methods. How can we call instance methods? How can we call instance methods, guys?
Created an object.
By using object reference. Okay. To call instance method, what we need? Object we need. Object reference we need. Okay, right? How can we call static methods?
Class name.
By using class
Using
name.
class name.
To call static methods, okay, we don't need object. Okay, by using class name, you can happily call static methods. So that's what, right? Day before yesterday we discussed. Okay, don't worry. We will discuss one more time, guys. Okay, come on. Now, here which method it is? Get total collection. Which method it is? How can you differ this static method and instance method? How can we differentiate? If you have static modifier, okay, in the front of the,
Static here.
before method name, that is what static method. If you don't have static modifier, means what it is? Instance method. So this is what? Instance method or static method? Instance method, because here we don't have any static keyword. If you see here main method, this is which kind of method? Instance method or static method? Static method. Why? If you see here static keyword we have. Understand? This is what? Static method. Now, from static area, can we call instance method directly?
No.
No. Already we discussed, guys. Come on, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Why we can't call instance variables or instance method directly from static area? Already we discussed. Come on, right? No need to discuss one more time. So if you discuss again the already discussed classes, okay, we cannot go further, guys. Okay, we will kill our time. So that's what. Okay, that's what. Just unmute yourself and tell me. I'm not asking any questions which I did not discuss you, right? I'm asking the questions. Already we completed the topics. On that only I'm asking. Why you people quite calm? Just unmute yourself and tell me. Now, see, if you call this get total collection directly, we are getting what? Some error. Okay? And compile time error we are getting. Why? Because we cannot call the static, instance method directly from static area. Now, how can we call now?
Creating object.
Creating object. Which object we need to create? This class object we need to call. And tell me how to create object. What is the syntax? Okay, guys. Always I told you. Okay, this is the real-time coding standards, guys.
New
To creating object. See here what I'm doing. What is the variable name I'm taking? Same class name only. Okay. What is the variable name? Object reference name I'm taking. Same class name only. But here what? The first letter V small. That's it, guys. This is the real-time standard. If someone asks you, hey, please create a class and create an object of that. Okay, if you do where arg method demonstrate. Okay, let's suppose student class you created. Okay, people will ask, hey, create an object for the student class. If you do student s is equal new student, okay, they can easily identify. Okay, you are not a experienced guy. You are a mid-pad guy. Understand? If you put 2 years, 3 years experience, okay, the people I'm talking. Okay, so this is the coding standards, guys, right? Now, by using what? reference, we can call the instance method. Come on, right? Here. So how to call this method? Get total collection. How to call? What type of parameters is expecting? Two parameters is expecting. What is the first one? Int type parameter. What is the second one? Int type parameter. Okay. Now, what is the first collection? 1000. First customer, what is the bill? 1000. What is the second customer bill? 1500. Okay. Come on, guys. 1500, right? Now, once you call this method, what it will give you? Get total collection. What it will give you? Int value. Total value it will give. What is the total variable type? Int type. What it is returning? Int type, right?
Yeah.
Now, once you call this method, it will send some value. Okay. To hold that value, what I need to do? What I need to create to hold the value?
Variables.
Variable I need to create. So which type of variable I need to create?
Reference.
Int type.
Int type, because what it is returning? Int value. So int result. Okay, or else sum. Okay, sum of total, something, any variable is fine, guys. Okay, sum of total. Right? Okay, now sum of total holds which value? Total 1500 value it will, not 2500 value it will hold, right? Now I want to see this value in console. Control S is out. Okay, so we will see, guys, what is system, how out, println, how we are calling all these things, we will see. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what I need to do? Total collection. Total collection. Come on, total collection. What is the total collection? Sum of total. Sum of total, right? Now, if you execute this program, what you will see? You will see 2500 as an output, right? So total collection 2500. Come on, fine. Now, what happened? Fine. This is fine. Now, tomorrow, okay, this is the first day. Tomorrow, 3 customers are came. Tomorrow, 3 customers are came. For tomorrow, what is the first customer bill? Again 1000. The second customer bill again 1500. Let's assume third customer bill 2000. Give me, guys, 1 minute. Yeah, come on. Tomorrow, 3 customers are came. Okay, for 3 customers, what is the first customer bill? 1000. Second customer bill 1500. Third customer bill 2000. Come on. Understand? Come on, guys. Understand or not? So now, the existing method, this is the existing method we have. Get total collection. Okay, is it useful? Is it useful? Come on, guys. Can I use this method to calculate
No.
3 customers, total collection? Why no?
No.
Because here only 2 parameters we are taking, right? We are taking only 2 parameters. But now, what is the other one now? Another one is adding. The third customer also adding. So this existing method will work or not? It won't work. For this, what we need to do? We need to create one more method. Come on. One more method we need to create. So here, now, one more parameter we need to create. Come on.
Bill 3.
Okay. Here what we need to do? Plus
Bill 3.
Bill 3. Okay. In total. Right? Now, how to do? We need to call, right? We need to call that method. How to call? 2000. Come on. Here what? This is
1.
sum of total. Let's suppose first day. Okay. Here what?
Second day.
Second day. Second day. Right? It is first day collection. Yeah. No, this is what? Second day collection. This is what? Second day collection. Now, if you run, okay, you will see output. Okay, 2,500, 4,500. Fine. Okay. Again, the third day, okay, 4 customers visited in your shop. Okay, they did okay, 1,000 first customer, second customer 1,500, third customer 2,000, fourth customer 2,500. So like that, okay, they did the bill. Okay, these are the bills. So to get the sum of total, what we need to do? These two methods are enough to capture all the 4 customers total?
No.
No. So for that, what we need to do? Again, we need to create one more method. Understand, guys? Again, we need to create one more method. Okay. Here, what we need to do? We need to add one more parameter. Int bill 4. Right? Here plus bill 4. Understand? Here, what we need to call, right? Now 2,500. Okay. What is this third day? Right? Third day collection. Okay, like that we have to do. And if you execute, we will see all the output here, right? 2,500, 4,500, 7,000. Okay. So like this, if customers are increasing, so can I use those existing methods? We cannot use, right? We need to increase, we need to add methods. We need to add other methods. Okay. So this is actually problem, guys, here. Understand what is the problem? You understood?
Yeah.
Come on, everyone. What is the problem? Understood or not? If the customers are increasing, right? Again, we have to add what? New methods. Because what existing methods we cannot use. Come on. Existing methods we cannot use. Let's suppose if you modify existing methods for here, let's suppose this is the method we have. If you modify this existing method, then how can you calculate that 2 customers one? I want the first day collection. How can you calculate? We cannot calculate, right? So if you want to calculate this first day collection means what? Definitely you have this method which is having 2 parameters. If you modify this one, if you add this method, if you add another parameter, let's suppose I'm adding here one more parameter like this. Okay, can I use that method for calculating 2 customers, the first day collection?
No.
We cannot calculate, right? So that's why we need to keep, okay. For, independent methods we need to write, right? To calculate first day collection, second day collection, and third day collection. So this is a problem or not?
Yeah,
Definitely it is a problem. How can you write a program like this? Understand? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually,
yes,
this is the exact problem, guys. To solve that problem, okay, Java people introduced, okay, in 1.5 version, okay, in that 1.5 version, var method, guys. Okay, what is the var method? You know, so until 1.4 version, we cannot declare a method with variable number of arguments. Understand? We cannot declare a method with variable number of arguments, guys. Understand? Means what? Actually, so you can relate this problem with variables, right? Arrays concept. Why we are using array concept? Why we are using array concept? By using array concept, by using one variable, you can refer multiple values.
Elements.
You can hold multiple values, right?
Yes.
You can hold multiple values by using one variable. By using single variable, we can hold multiple values. Come on, right?
Yes.
Just correlate that topic to here, guys. Okay, if you take any method by taking one variable, if you hold multiple values, then problem will get solved, right? Understand or not?
Yeah.
So here, what kind of data types is all are similar data types? Int type only. Come on, all are what? Int type only, right? So rather than creating multiple data types here to holding all the homogeneous data elements, I mean data values, okay, why can't we create, okay, one single variable, okay, like variable name A, it holds all the values, right? All the values. Understand? Okay, so like this, guys. Okay, if you create like this, then this problem will get resolved, right? Understand? Come on, guys, everyone.
Yeah.
If you create one variable, if it is holds all the values, then problem will get resolved, right? So that's why var_arg method comes into the picture, guys. Okay. So what is the var_arg method? Okay. So until 1.4 version, we cannot declare a method with variable number of arguments. Okay. We cannot declare a method with variable and number of arguments. Okay, here what? These are what? Or build one, build two, what? Arguments. But we are defining two different variables, right? Int type, two different variables we are defining. Here what? Three different variables we are creating. Here what? Four different int variables we are creating. Okay. Instead of that, just create one variable. Okay. It holds all the values. If you did like that, then problem will get resolved, right? Okay. So what is that? Let me write points, guys. Okay. Here, let me write points and we will discuss in detail. Don't worry. Come on. Until 1.4 version. Okay. We cannot declare a method. We cannot declare a method with variable. Come on. With variable number of arguments. Okay. No. What happened? What is the problem you are facing? If there is a change in, okay, if there is a change in number of, number of arguments, compulsory what we need to do? We should, come on guys, we should declare new method, right? What happened? Which increases? Which increases length of the code, right? Length of the code and reduces what? Readability of the code. Understand the problem, guys? Just now we see right here. Right? If you change anything here, what we need to do? We need to create new method. If there is a change in number of arguments, compulsory we should declare a new method because we cannot use existing method. Right? Come on, guys, here. If there is a change in arguments, what we need to do? We need to create new method. Right? We cannot use existing method. That is the problem, right? So if you do like that, what is the problem? We increases the code, right?
Yeah.
Come on. It increases what? Length of the code, right? And reduces readability. Okay. So to overcome this problem, okay, Java people introduce, okay, var_arg method in 1.5 version, guys. 1.5 version. Understand? So now from 1.5 version onwards, from 1.5 version onwards, come on. We can declare a method. We can declare a method. Come on, we can declare a method with variable number of arguments. Number of arguments. Okay, such type of method is called what?
Where
Var method. Okay, so how can we declare var method? We can declare var method, okay, like follow. As follows, like, okay, as follows. How to declare, guys, var method? Okay, now let's suppose what is the one? What is the example we are taking? What is the method? Get total collections, right? So like this we can declare here. Okay, get total collections. Okay, this is the method name. Here I what I'm doing. Okay, what are the parameters it is taking? Get total collection method. Come on, what are the parameters? Int, right?
Int bill1.
Int type parameters, right? Int, see, all are what? Int type. All are what? Int type. Understand, guys? All are what?
Yes,
Int type. So here, int, okay, 3 dots, guys. 3 dots and bill, right? Just take bill. That's it, guys. This is the var method, okay, declaration. Understand? Get total collection int dot dot dot, only 3 dots, guys. This is the syntax of var method. Okay, you cannot keep 4 dots, only 3 dots only you have to keep. Okay, so again, get total collection int type, okay, 3 dots, and after that what? Variable name, okay, argument name, so our parameter name. Okay, so this is what var method declaration. Okay, so now from 1.5 onwards, we can declare a method with variable number of arguments. So this is what? This is a method. Okay, so what is the parameters it is taking? Number of parameters it is taking. Any number of parameters it is taking. Understand? You can call with 2 number of arguments. Okay, come on. If you want to call this method, you can call by passing 2 number of parameter values. If you want, you can call this method by passing 1 number of parameter. If you want, you can call this method by passing 3 number of parameters. If you want, you can call this method by passing 10,000 number of values also. Understand? Everyone?
yes.
Okay, this is what var method. Okay, the method, okay, we can declare a method with variable number of arguments. Number of arguments. So all the number of arguments, which variable it is holding? By using one variable, we are holding what? Many number of values. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's suppose, see the array. What is the array? Int array. Let's suppose variable x.
Variable equal
What it
new
is doing? New int
New
array. What it is doing? We can
Value.
have 20, 30, 40, 50, like that we can have, right?
Yeah.
Now, by using one variable, how many of values we are holding? 5 values we are
5
holding.
values.
Okay, all the 5 values, which variable is holding? Variable name called x. Come on, everyone. This is the array concept, right? Why we are taking array concept? Already that time we discussed. Okay, what is the limitations? If you use variables, let's suppose 5 variables I need to declare. I mean 5 values I need to capture. In order to capture the 5 values, what I need to do? I need to declare 5 variables, right? Int x is equal to 10, int y is, let's suppose int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, int c is equal to 30, int d is equal to 40, int e is equal to 50. Like that, I have to declare 5 variables. Let's suppose 1000 values I have to capture. What I need to do? 1000 variables I need to declare, right? What will happen end of the day? It increases length of the code. Okay, it decreases what? Readability of the code. Come on, everyone. To solve that problem, what we have? Array concept came. So by using array concept, what we can do? We can hold multiple values by using single variable. That is the called array concept, right? Come on, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now the same way. Now method. In the method, let's suppose you want to change argument values. Same type of arguments, guys, here. Okay. Here what it is? Same type of arguments, right? If you want to change the argument value, same type of argument value, what we need to do? We need to create another new method. Okay. We cannot use existing method. Come on here. Already we discussed it, right? What is the problem here we are facing, right? If you change the argument value means what? You need to create new method. We cannot use existing methods. Come on.
Yes.
So to solve that problem, okay, what we have? Var-arg method. By using var-arg method, what we can do? So here, instead of parameter, these are the parameters, right? So instead of creating, okay, multiple parameters, here we are talking about int type, right? So that's what? Int type of parameters. Okay. Instead of creating multiple int type of parameters, so why can't we create, okay, one variable, okay, one parameter which is holding all the int type of values. Understand? So that's why we have what? Var-arg method. So by using var-arg method, we can declare a var-arg method with variable, okay, with come on. You can declare a var-arg method with variable number of arguments. Understand? So here, dot means what? Number of arguments, guys. Okay, number of arguments means which type of arguments all are? Come on, int type of arguments. Understand?
Yes.
Which type of arguments all are? Int type of arguments, guys. Okay, so let's suppose I have a M1 method, guys. Just M1 method I have. Okay, why it is selecting which one? Calibri. Okay, 40. Yeah. Now let's suppose I have a M1 method, guys. Okay, for this M1 method, first of all, I want to call this M1 method by passing 2 parameters. Okay, what I need to do? I need to create int x comma int y, right? Like that I have to create. And after that, I want to call the same M1 method, but this time I want to pass 3 parameters. What I need to do? Int x, int y, int z. So like that I need to create 3 parameters based method, right? Okay, let's say now this time I want to pass 4 parameters. What I need to do? I need to create same method. I need to pass 4 parameters. Okay, so instead of that, I'm going with var-arg method. So by using var-arg method, how can we declare the method? M1, which type of parameters here? Int type. Int dot x. That's it. Okay. So this method, what it is doing? The method name is what? M1. This method will take 2 type parameters also it will take, 1 type of argument values also it take, and 3 type of argument values also it take, 4, okay, 4 argument values also it take. Understand? Like this, 100 argument values also it will take. So we no need to create, okay, whenever you are changing argument value, you no need to create another new method. Understand? So now see here the problem. How can we solve? Now how many methods we have created? 3 methods, right?
3 methods.
So instead of 3 methods, just I am creating one vararg method. What is the vararg method I am creating here? Public. Come on. Return type in. Get total.
Collection.
Get total collection. Okay. Here, what is the syntax of vararg method? So what is the types here? Int type. Guys, same type. Remember this one. So vararg method always applicable for same type of arguments if you pass, right? Int dot build. That's it, guys. Sorry. Why is guys? Okay. Int
Bill.
build. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we need to do? Okay. We need to summarize. We need to summarize. Come on.
In the total.
So here what I'm doing? I'm taking int total. Here total is which type of variable, guys? Which type of variable total?
Local.
Int
Local.
type.
Local variable. Okay. So local variable for local variable, what we need to do? We need to assign some
Assign
default
some.
value, right? Whether you are using or not, when you declare local variable, always we have to assign some value. Come on. So now here I'm taking for loop. Okay. Okay. I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. So here I'm taking variable as bills. Okay. You can take anything. Don't worry. Now, so every bills. Okay. I need to take what? Each bill value. So what type of bill it is? Int type bill. This is the for each loop. Okay, don't worry. We will discuss in detail. Just remember. Okay. Now, what I need to do? I need to total. Total is equal to total plus bill. Okay. So after that, what I need to do? Finally, I need to return the total value. Return total. Fine. Return total. Come on.
Yeah.
Everyone. Okay, guys. Understood what I'm doing here? Okay. Just here, this is the total bills here. Okay. I'm passing this method. I'm calling this method by passing number of bills. Okay. So what I need to do end of the day? I need get total collection. Right. To get the total collection means what I need to do? I need to add all the values. Right. I need to make addition for all the bills. Here I'm doing that one only. Come on. I'm making total, guys, here. Okay? Guys, come on, guys. Understanding or not? Hello?
Yeah, understand.
Understanding? Okay. So now, what I'm doing here now, okay, I'm commenting all these things, guys. I'm commenting all these things. Individually, I'm calling, right? These methods. Now I'm commenting all these things. Now I call only vararg method. How can I call vararg method? I need object instance. Already I need object instance, right? I have object instance right here.
Yeah.
Let me copy this object instance. Dot. What is the method? Get total collection. So this method I want, right? This is the vararg method, right? Okay. Here see parameters I need to pass, right? Tell me, what is the first day collection? 1000, 1500.
15.
Understand? 1000, 1500. Okay. So sum of, let me add this one. Okay. This variable is here. Okay. Let me, no. Second day collection also I need, right?
Yes.
Third day collection also I need. What is the second day collection? 2000, right? Here, what is the third day collection? 2000,
2500.
2500. Okay. This is what? Second day. This is for third day. Okay. Now, if you see, I'm commenting, guys. I'm not calling these methods. Okay. If you want, let me comment these. Okay. Now I'm commenting all these. We have only one method. What is the method? Get total collection. This is the method we have. Okay. Now you see, I'm calling this method. First of all, I'm passing 2 parameters. Again, I'm calling the same method by passing 3 parameters. Again, I'm calling the same method by passing 4 parameters. Understand? Now you see the output here. Come on. Getting?
Yeah. Yeah,
2,500,
Yes.
4,500, 7,000. Come on, guys. See
Yes,
here
sir.
what? Yeah. So you no need to create independent methods. If you change any argument type here, okay, then we no need to create new method. Okay. Instead, we can use only one method. Okay. You can call that method by passing any number of arguments you want. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's suppose I will call this one by passing 3,000, 3,500. Okay, like this 4,000, 4,000, okay. Yeah, 4,000, next 4,500. See how many parameters I'm passing here now? 1, 2, 3, 4,
7,
5, 6, 7, 8 parameters I'm passing. Still I can call this method. See, 22,000 I got.
22,000.
Understand?
Yes.
So I want to see total values, right? Total collection of that particular day. How many customers are visited? 8 customers are visited on the particular day. So these are the bills individually they did. Okay. So I want to get the total collection of that particular day. What is the total collection? 20,000. Here I'm using the same method. Understand?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So what end of the day? So what you understand here? What you understand by seeing where are method?
Instead of using
We can call this method by passing any number of
arguments.
int values. Come on, any number of int values. Okay, any number of int values. Understand? Now I'm calling this method. What is the method? This is the method, right? Now I'm calling this method by passing 0 argument, guys. By passing 0 argument. Can I call this method like this? Something. What is the written type? Int 0 variable name I need to give, right? Something like. Okay. Sum of total first day. Here what? Sum of fourth day. Third day, fourth day, right? Fourth day. Okay. Now tell me, whether can I call this method without passing any arguments?
Yeah, we can.
Huh?
We can call.
We can call or not? See what? I'm not passing any arguments, guys. But what is the method? This is the method. What is the parameter type? Int dot bills. Only 3 dots you have to keep, guys. Okay, where argument method means. Can I call this method without passing any arguments?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can call.
You can pass on. What is the output you will get then? What is the output you will get?
0.
0, sir.
0. Okay. So happily, okay, we can call this method without passing arguments also. See, what is the collection? 0. Because here total is 0, right? By default. So that value only we will get. Because here there is no bills. We are not passing any arguments, right? So that's why this block won't execute. If this block won't execute means what is the value total holds? 0. that value only we returning. That's what you are here seeing 0 as the output. Understand? Okay. Here, what is the point? Including, we can call this method by passing any number of int values, including, come on, including 0 number also. Okay, 0 number argument value. Okay, come on, everyone. If you want, you can pass any number of int values. Okay, if you want, you can pass 0 number of int argument values also. Still, you will get the value. I mean, this method will get executed. Come on, any doubt here?
No.
So you understood what is the use of vararg method? What is the problem here? Why we are using vararg method? Why Java people introduced vararg method?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, if you see here clearly what it is doing, guys, if you see clearly, guys, every Saturday we have 2 hours class. Okay, that's what I think I communicated with you, right? Weekdays we have 1.5 hour class. Weekend we have 2 hour class every Saturday. So that's what we communicated, right? You have to prepare for that. Now, come on. Tell me, we have one more 25 minutes. Come on, guys. So here, if you see int array bills, okay. So now I want to, okay. So I want to, let's suppose I am passing this method. How many parameters I am passing? 8 values, 8 argument values I am passing. Guys, actually, these are called parameters, guys. Right? While creating method, if you see these types, okay, these are called what? Parameters. We use it to call as parameters. Okay. So while calling this method, we are passing some values, right? This is the, how can we call this method? We are calling like this, right? And we are passing these values, right? So
Yeah.
these values, we use it to call it as arguments, argument values. Okay. Remember this terminology. Okay. In the method, while declaring method, so these are what? Parameters, guys. These are what? Parameters. So while calling that method, we are passing that original values, right? So these values are what? Argument values. Okay. So this is the terminology. Okay, in Java. Remember that. Come on, everyone. So now, see. Yeah. Here, how many argument values I am passing? 8 argument values I am passing. Come on, guys. How many argument values I am passing?
8.
8 argument values I'm passing, right? So I want to see, okay, what is the value at 5th? I mean, 5th customer, okay, this 5th customer bill I want to see. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, how many customers on that particular day visited? 8 customers are visited. Okay. So on the particular day, I want to see the 5th customer bill. How can I see? Understand?
Index of
Index of. So here index means what? Arrays, right? Okay. Here I can happily see the 5th customer bill, guys. How can I see? Let me put sys out. Okay. I want to see in the console. Okay. How can I see? Okay. What is the argument? What is the parameter value here? What is the variable name? The parameter name, parameter variable name. Bills, right? Bills of. Okay. 5th element means what? 4. Okay. See. Why index out of bounds exception? Oh, okay. Come on. So we are calling this one, right? The first one, second one, third one, right? Okay. Let me comment this one. See, if you call the first one, there is no 5th element, right? Understand? So that's why I comment all these things.
Yeah.
I'm calling only
Last one.
last one. This is what? How many elements we are
Eight.
passing? How many arguments? Eight. So we can happily see the fifth element value, right? Now let me run. Run as Java application only, right? Why it is asking? Compilation problem. Okay. I don't have variables, right? Need to comment this. Okay. Now fine.
Fine.
Sum of total third day we have variable, right? Which one? That is this one. Okay. This is also we can use, right? Let me comment this one also. Otherwise, we will get again error index out of bounds exception. Fine, guys. Guys, understand what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
Everyone. Guys, understand what I'm doing here? Huh? Come on, guys. Understanding or not? Yeah, I'm not doing anything, guys.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to see fifth index element value here. Okay. Fifth customer element value. Okay. So for that, what I need to do? I need to pass. Okay. I need to pass what? 8. Here I'm passing 8 argument values, right? In this method, I want to call that method. I need to pass 8 argument values here. Then only I can see fifth element index value. Here what? I want to see this customer value. I mean the bill amount, right? So if I put these things, the above methods, what will happen? Let's suppose we are calling this method. If you call this method, what is the arguments we are passing? 2 arguments. Which method it will call? This method it will call. But here, what I'm trying to print? Bill of 4. 4 means what?
Index.
Fifth index. Do you have fifth index value here? 5 elements we are passing? Only 2 elements only we are passing. So obviously you will get what? Error index out of bounds exception. Understand? So that's what I'm commenting this one and even this one also. Here also we are passing only 3 values. But here I am passing what? 8 values. Here I can happily see the fifth element value, right? Come on, erase concept. Okay. Now, if you see now, run as Java application. What is the value? What is the value, guys? 3000. See? Getting or not?
Yeah, get you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let me write. Fifth customer bill amount. This is the one I want to see, right? Now you can see. Fifth customer bill amount, what it is? 3000. Okay, total collection what? 22,000. Okay? Come on.
Sir, what if we want?
Understand? Come on, tell me.
Sir,
Someone asking question. Yeah.
what if we want to see the collection day 1, day 2, second bill, sir?
Huh?
At a time.
Day 1?
ఒకేసారి ఇప్పుడు డే 2 ఒక బిల్ నెంబర్ చూడాలంటే ఎలా సార్?
బిల్ నెంబర్ అమౌంట్
అంటే బిల్ అమౌంట్ 3 days కి డే 2 ఉంది కదా సార్?
3 days కి
3 days కి సెకండ్ బిల్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా సార్?
అర్థం కాదు. బిల్ నెంబర్ కాదు, అమౌంట్ ఇది. బిల్ అమౌంట్.
అది అమౌంట్ బిల్ అమౌంట్ సార్. ఫస్ట్ డే, సెకండ్ డే, థర్డ్ డే బిల్ అమౌంట్, డే 2 సెకండ్ బిల్ అమౌంట్ ఉంది కదా సార్? అది 3 చూడాలంటే
3 చూడాలంటే you want to do, that's what, just see. Okay, I will explain you. So here, how can I get this fifth index element, guys? Fifth element value, I mean fifth customer value. Okay, by taking index. Okay, which index I'm taking? 4 index. So index means what? Okay, index, remember, go to collection. What is an array? Sorry, not collection, guys. Array. What is an array?
collection of single
Array is indexed collection of homogeneous data elements, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Means what? Internally, this vararg method implemented by using what? Single dimensional array concept. Understand? Internally, this vararg method implemented by using single dimensional array concept. Okay. So here, if you see, what is the method, guys, here? This one, right? What is the method we are taking? Get total. Come on, guys. What is the method, guys? Get total collection.
Collection.
This is the method, right? What is the arguments? Int type. Okay. So build. This is the method declaration, right? So internally, okay, this one implemented by using what? Single dimensional array concept. Okay. So single dimensional array concept means if you here see int, this is the parameter, right? So this one will be converted to like this. Int, what is the single dimension array? How to do? Int single dimension build. Understand? Hello. This is what? Single dimension array declaration. Int array of build.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will convert into single dimension array representation, guys. Okay. Internally, vararg parameter implemented by using what? One dimensional array. Okay. Internally, vararg parameter implemented by using single dimensional. Okay. Single dimensional array concept. Understand, guys? So now if you see here, so what is the method, guys? We are passing this one, right? 8 values we are passing. Okay. 8 values we are passing. Okay. So how it will take, here. Let me write here. This one the method, right? Internally, how it will be look like, this is the method. Okay. This is which type it is? Int type. Which type of the array? Single dimension array. What is the parameter variable name here? Build, right? Build. Okay. This is the method. Okay. How to call this method, guys? How to call this method? This is the method declaration.
By using object.
Let me write public. Certain type is int. Okay. This is the method declaration. How to call this method? How can you call this method? By using object reference, that's fine. How can you call? You have to call get total collection. Get total collection. How to call? This is what? Single dimensional array. How to call? Tell me.
New
You have to create
new array.
dimension.
Anonymous array.
Anonymous array. That's correct, Vignesh. Superb. Okay. Anonymous array we need to pass. New int. Come on.
Array of
What is the value? 1000. Same, guys.
1000.
1500. What are those?
2000.
Customer bills. 2000. 2000.
500.
500.
3000.
3000. Like this, right? 3500. 4000. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's suppose 4500. 8 customers are visited. Like this only have to call, right? Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Like this only have to call, right? Here what? Bill of 0 means what? 1000. Bill of 1 means what? 1500. Bill of 2 means what? 2000. What is the index?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1.
Here, this is the index, right? One array is created, right? What is the array size, guys? 8. Come on. Array concept. Remember array concept. Forgot, huh? This is the, like this what?
One array.
One array created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8 size array created. What is this index? What is the first one index? 0 index. This is the one. 1. So like this, okay, we have created 8 index, right? 7. Size 8 means what? 7 index. 0 to 7, right? 8.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, 7 indexes. So the first value, 1000, where it will store? Here it will store, right? The first value, 0 index. The second value, where it will store? The second index. I mean, sorry, the first index. So like that last value, 4500, where it will store? Here.
Index.
4500. Okay. So like that it will store. Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to see the third index value. I want to see, okay, the second customer bill. How can I get? How can I get? Guys, here. I want to see the second customer bill amount.
Index
Okay,
of
bill
of
of
1.
Bill of 1. Bill of 1.
1.
Right. Now, in the same way, I want to see the third customer bill.
Bill of 2.
Bill of 2. Right. Now, in the same way, I want to see 8th customer bill. How to
Bill of
do?
7.
Bill of 7. Right. In the same way, here also, guys. In the same way, here also. See, that's why I can able to see the fifth customer bill amount. Okay, bills of 4. 4 means what? Fifth customer bill amount. 4 index. 4 index means what? Fifth customer bill amount. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Why this where arg method internally implemented by using which concept? Single dimensional array concept. Like this.
Concept.
Understand now? No. Let me replace this one. The same thing. Okay. I'm writing this method. Okay, by using single dimensional array. Or else. Okay. Okay, understood, right? No need to write single dimensional array, right? Here I explained, right? You understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Or else let me write this. Yeah. I'm writing. Okay, here what I'm doing now? Single dimension. Int array bills. Okay. See here, I'm writing var arg method and int array bills. See here, we are getting one compile time error. Duplicate method. Why duplicate method? Duplicate method get total collection. Like that it is showing. Why? Why? Come on, tell me. Why we are getting duplicate method? In Java, can we have same signature type of methods? Signature means here, guys. Method name and number of parameters and type of parameters. This is called signature of method. Method signature. Okay. What is the method signature?
Either
Method
parameters
name.
or method name should change, sir.
Yeah, method name and parameter numbers or parameter types. Okay, all these comes under what? Method signature. Let me write here. Let me copy this one. Okay. I think I cannot copy. This paint creating problems. Okay. Now, tell me, what is the method name? Public. I'm writing method prototype, guys. Public int. What is the method name? Get the total collection. Get total collection. Get total collection. Right. Here, What are the parameters? Int. Where are parameters? Something called bills, right?
Bill.
This is the method. Okay. Here, if you see, okay. So let's suppose, let me write normal methods case. Let me write normal methods. So this is what vararg method. Okay. Let me write normal methods. So now here what I'm taking, two parameters I'm taking. Int x, comma, int y I'm taking. Okay. Here I'm taking three parameters. Int x, comma, int y, comma, int z. Okay. Here I'm taking three parameters. Int x, comma, int y, comma, int z, comma, something into a. Like this, I'm taking four parameters. Okay. Now, if you see, so I'm talking, this is what complete method prototype, guys. This is what complete method prototype. Method prototype means what? Access modifier, return type, method name, and parameters. Okay. This is completely called what? Method prototype. Okay. Let me write here. Oh my God, I think you cannot see here. Okay, let me write. So this is completely called what? Method prototype, guys. Method prototype, right? Prototype. Remember this terminology. Okay. This is called what? Method prototype. Okay. Now, method signature. What is the method signature? You know, only method name, and number of arguments and type of arguments. Okay. This one is called what? Method signature. This is what? Method signature. Understand? Everyone. This completely called what? Method prototype. We used to call method prototype. Okay. If someone asks what is method signature means, what you have to tell? Only method name and number of parameters. This is called what? Method signature. Okay. Method signature. So here, if you see, we are getting compile time error. What is the compile time error we are getting? Duplicate methods. Like that it is showing. Duplicate method get total collection in vararg method demonstrate. Okay. So in the vararg method demonstration class, okay, you declare duplicate methods. Already we know, right? In Java, we cannot declare two variables as a unique name. Two duplicate variables we cannot declare. Two duplicate methods also we cannot declare. We understood, right? That one. Okay. But see here, we are declaring two duplicate methods. Okay. Two duplicates methods means what? If any methods signatures are same, if any two methods signatures are same, then those two methods are called what? Duplicate methods. Remember. Okay. Let me repeat one more time. Okay. If in Java, any two methods signatures are same, those two methods are what? Duplicate methods. Okay. Here see, signature means what? Method name and number of arguments and type of arguments. Right? Signature means what? Method name and arguments. Okay. See here, why it is taking duplicate, but it is a int ... bills and it is a single dimension array parameter. Method name is same, right? Get total collection method name is same. Here get total collection method name is also same. But now coming to parameter, it is what? Int ... bills. Here int array single dimension bills means what? This one and this one is same. Why? This vararg parameter internally convert into what? Single dimension array only. Come on, guys. This vararg parameter internally converted into what? Single dimension array only. So here, what it will become? Like this. It will become int array bills only. Okay. Now, this one, method name also same. Method name also same. Now, parameter, int array bills. Here also what? Parameter intervals. Both are same, right? These two method signatures also same, right? So that's what it is showing what? Duplicate methods. Understand? Hello?
Yeah, miss.
Please understand or not? So that's what? Internally, every vararg method converted into what? Single dimension array. Remember? Come on, guys. Internally, every vararg
Yes,
method
sir.
converted into what? Single dimension array, guys. Okay? So now, let me remove this. So, okay. So if you want, you can take it another method. So here we cannot take two duplicate methods, right? So let me change method name. If the method name is change means what? Method signature change. Then we can keep, okay? Get total collection per day. Let me, like this, I'm changing the method name. Now it's fine, right? See, the error gone. Okay? Because what? Here, signature is different. Method signature is different. This is the method name. This is the different method name. Okay? Now bills. So here, see, I can happily call this one. How can I call that method, guys? That is what? Instance method. Instance method, how can I call? Dot. Get total. This is the method, right? Per day. Here, what I need to pass? Array. Array means what? Anonymous array I need to create, right?
New
Int
int
array.
of
Here I can pass
values.
values. I can pass, right? 1000, 1500. Okay, 2000, 2500. So like that I'm passing 3000. Let me pass. Okay, only these values. Let me close it. You know. Okay. So I need to print this value, right? Okay. Let me hold. It will give you total. Let me write result. I'm taking result as a variable. Okay. Just I want to print what this result. This out control space. Okay. Just what result. Plus result, guys. Result only, right? RESU. Oh, yes, I need to put. Okay. Now see. Coming result 10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this is what?
Yeah.
Int array. Okay. How to call? Int array parameter based method. Single dimension int array parameter based method. Okay. So you understood now? The vararg method internally convert into what? Single dimension array. Okay. So if you want to differentiate, so how can we differentiate here? Int array means what? If you want to see the first two customer, third customer value. Now, I think someone asked me, who is that? Surya. You can check it, right? How can we calculate the second customer bill and third customer bill? Sum of second customer and third customer. How can you do?
Bill of one.
Bill of 1 plus bill of 2. That's it. Understand? Here. Write it here. This out. Sum of first two customers bill amount. That's what you want to see, right? How can you do? Bills. First two customers. Bills of 0 plus bills of 1. Okay? You can get it. 3000. Sum of first, sorry. Okay. So here what we need to do? Bills of 0, bills of 1, right? Okay. So this is string, right? Okay. I think bills of 0, bills of 0, bills of 1. Okay. Get total collection per day. This is the method, right? We are calling. Where we are calling? Here. Okay. So let me What we need to do? Bills of 0, right? Plus bills of 1. Okay. So only method we are calling, right? Static void main method. Hmm. 2,500. Getting?
Yes.
Where I'm putting here. Okay. Getting or not?
Yeah.
Directly we can put here. What is the problem? Okay. Instead of sum, directly you can put here. Okay. Plus, right? So that's what it is taking as a string. Okay. So we need to take one variable, then we need to put. We are appending string, right? So it is taking string, guys. Okay. Then we need to put here plus sum. Come on. Understand? So here you want to take sum of 2. Okay. Here it is what? Int array dimension method. Okay. Single dimension array method. So already I told you, right? So this one and this one is same, right? So happily you can do the same one here also. Where? Here. Here also I can do, right? The same one. Okay. Let me remove the first one. Okay. This one also I can do the same one. Okay. So for this what? Here, let me enable this one. This is what? Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Now I'm calling this method, get total collection, and passing this. So now what I want? Okay. The fifth customer bill amount and the sum of first customer, second customer bill amount also. Now you see. Got?
Yeah.
2,500. Okay. So internally, where argument method convert into what? Single dimension array. Understand, right?
Yeah.
So how can we differentiate arguments, guys, within where argument method? By using index. Okay. We can differentiate, okay, arguments within where arg method by using index. Okay. How can we differentiate arguments? The first argument value, second argument value, third argument value. How can we differentiate? By using index, guys. What, guys? Understand or not? Come on, everyone. Okay. So that is the where arg method, guys. Okay. So I think almost we reached to 836, right? 936. So this is the where arg method declaration. See, int, we need to keep 3 dots and variable name. Okay. This is the valid declaration. If you want, you can keep int, okay, space, dot, x also fine. Like this also you can add it, guys. Okay. So, but if you do like this, int dot space dot x means compile time error. Okay. Only what are the applicable declaration for var arg method? Either the first pattern or second pattern. Understand? Either first pattern or second pattern. This is valid. Okay. So this one also valid. Okay. Let me write int and let me keep like this. This one int. Okay. So 1 dot and after that 2 dots here hex. Okay. All are what? Invalid, guys. Okay. Maybe people will ask in written test. That's why I'm explaining here. Like this, if you declare these are what? Invalid. Okay. So tomorrow we will see other parts in var arg method. Okay. We will discuss other parts in var arg method. Then we can close, guys.